Alright, so your Emerson thermostat is blinking cool on, and your AC isn't kicking in. Don't panic, this happens to pretty much everyone at some point. Here's the deal. Most of the time that blinking just means your thermostat's in delay mode. It's actually a safety feature. All you really need to do is, wait, seriously, 5 to 10 minutes, that's it. Go grab a coffee, scroll your phone. This happens after things like a power outage, flipping the furnace switch, swapping batteries, or even just doing maintenance. The thermostat's just protecting your AC from turning on and off too quickly, which can actually damage your system. When I was new to this, I'd get all antsy, start checking wires, busting out the tools after 4 minutes, and then, boom, it would turn on. Lesson learned, patience pays. But if it's been 10 minutes and still nothing, time for a few quick checks. Step 1. Check your breaker panel. Find the breaker labeled AC or furnace. If it's tripped, flip it off, then back on. Power surges can trip it, and this might be all you need. Step 2. Look at your condensate drain line. If it's clogged, the safety switch will shut down your AC. Check for water buildup or gunk near your indoor unit. Clear it out with a wet-dry vac or call a pro if it's nasty. Step 3. Try bypassing the thermostat. If you're comfortable, use a jumper wire to see if the system kicks on. If it does, your thermostat might be the culprit. Not sure how? I've got another video showing that step by step. If none of these work, and your system's still dead, it's probably a deeper issue, like a blown fuse or bad capacitor. I cover all that in another video, so check it out if you need to, but honestly, for most of you, just wait those 5 to 10 minutes. That's the fix. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and I'll see you next time.